Happy Tuesday, everybody. My camera is off, now my camera is on. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. We are Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. Bulls will come back. Bulls needs rest. Hi Faiz, hi Avishai, Nachai, Avishai, good morning Orin. Good morning Samsung. How are you this morning, everybody? This morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are in the world, we see this US 500 on the chart, the 2 hours chart over here, the 15 minutes chart over here. Overall, we are in a downside. All depends on tomorrow FOMC rate decision. Most likely, the rate will stay as it is. It will be great surprise if the Fed will raise or will cut. Other side will be super surprising. Market now is pricing a non-change in the rate decision. What do you think? Bulls, they need a rest overall. As we can see on the SPY throughout this March, we are just moving sideways. As you can see, since beginning of March, no direct direction, no clear direction, just sideways move between the 507 and the 517, 518. Also on the Qs, sideways move even longer since February 22. We are here and we are moving sideways. So who else is with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Yes, Ingrid, looks like market needs to go down. We have the gap from yesterday. This gap on the SPY needs to get filled. Pre-hours, pre-market, we are below the gap, but this gap needs to get filled. And this area, the 510, needs to hold. Otherwise, we are heading towards the 505. And if the market will not like what the Fed have to say about the rate decision, this gap at the 497 on the SPY will get filled. We also have a gap over here on the Qs, the 425. In my opinion, these two gaps and the gap on the SOXX at the 204, these three gaps needs to get filled if we want the bulls to retain their power for the next leg up, going maybe not a bullish Q2 of 2024, but we still have time. 9 more months we have for this 2024. Hi Avi, thank you very much for joining. Hi Sharon, how are you this morning? Thank you very much for joining. We can see here, for those who are late, US 500 2 hours over here, US 500 15 minutes over here. And if you still don't know, and if you still didn't join, this is your chance to join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, the only Discord, multi-language Discord. We have trading floor in English, premium room, which is dedicated for day traders. Swing lounge for swings. We have options room, we have crypto, we have general chats, and of course we have the same thing in Hebrew, premium room for day traders, swing, chat, and we have a special zone for past, present, and if you would like to become a future student of the Fibonacci Traders University, you just go here, the university. We have all the paths that you want and you need to choose from. Choose one. You want to be the master, you want one-on-one mentorship, the online, all goes also in Hebrew. You have the ultimate, you have one-on-one, we have learning groups, the quick 120 minutes course. By the way, the next course in Hebrew will take place. It's the 2 hours live with me, coming Friday, 9 a.m. Israel time, and Sunday after it, we will do for the English speaking, according to US time zone. We are still working on it. Let's see how it goes. What happened to my screen? 1 second. Sorry about that. Something happened. My screen just froze. Do you see me? Do you hear me? Let me know what you think. What is? Do you see me? Do you hear me? My screen just froze. So this is the Discord, Fibonacci-Traders Discord. Join, you will not regret. You will start seeing result almost immediately. So now I'm back live. Bitcoin, for now, going south. 62. Next is the 60, the 59, 650. For now, what do we see on the Bitcoin? This is the 2 hours chart. 4 hours looks like this. Below the 62,400, we are heading back to the 59,600. Below this one, prepare yourself for the same price action we saw over here to the upside. Below the 59,700, we will see the same price action. Back to the downside, to the 52K. Trade the chart. Don't trade what you want to see. Don't trade what everybody else tells you that needs to happen. All you need to do, trade price action. For now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the rest of the crypto land. Look at Ethereum. Since the peak, just 6 days ago, above the 4,000, Ethereum already down 20%. And look at this. Bounced off the 21%. 21 Fibonacci number. It all comes down to Fibonacci. Gaps are closed only during hours, Ingrid. Only during hours. What happens pre-market? It's like it never happened. Who else is with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Help me grow this channel. This is the only thing I ask. Just help me grow this channel. IWM Ellie, IWM, we are going once again. I will remind everybody that every day, 7 a.m. Every day, 12 a.m. Eastern time and 7 a.m. Israel time, I'm doing and I'm posting the market, stock market, technical analysis, review. We are going all the major indices, Magnificent 7 and more. So this is why I ask you to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any video. IWM needs to hold above the 200, otherwise all these red levels to the downside will be here super fast. This is the IWM. What else do we have? We hear and see. Okay, thank you very much. Everything okay? Screen froze. Now. Okay, no, it's okay. Okay. Thank you very much. AAP. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Broke above the yellow zone few days back. Last Monday. Since then, uptrend. Next is the 8888. By the way, 8 is the most lucky number in China. 8. So next you have 8888. Above it 91, 93, 96 and 99. Your stop loss should be just below the 79.90. AAP. What else do we have? Bitcoin will come back. No one knows. For now, it's going down to retest the 60. CVNA just moving sideways, as you can see. This is why I suggest to put the FTI. This amazing tool that I've developed with over 7 years of experience. Everything that You see here the sell signal, the buy signal, the red line, the green line, the Fibonacci. Everything is according to my experience, and everything is automatically on your chart, just one click away. What do you see on CVNA? You have the sell signal below the yellow zone, sideways move, nothing much on CVNA. Long continuation, in my opinion, only above the green zone, the yellow zone, sorry, above the 84, and then we will see long continuation. But if CVNA will break to the downside after FOMC rate decision, we will see this gap at the 53 getting filled. The 74 needs to hold, otherwise the probability that this 54 gap, 53.50 gap will get filled is increasing to more than 95% chance. So pay attention. AMD goes down, everything goes down pre-market. AMD 4% to the downside, Nvidia almost 3%, Shopify 1.4, 1.5, Tesla 1.5, SOXX and SMH both going 1.5%, Magnificent 7 ETF 1%, SMCI goes another 10%. Look at SMCI, another 10%, and we are now at the 900 area. Yesterday, 6.4%. The day before, 5.5%. Today, another 10%. The 840 needs to hold. Then you will see all the red levels to the downside. Overall, the SOXX ETF, all the semiconductors are pulling the market to the downside. Nvidia almost 3% to the downside pre-market. Everything is on the red side. PLTR 2.3. What else do we have? Mara 6% to the downside. Riot almost 5. HAT 5.5. IBIT almost 5. CLSK 5.2. And MicroStrategy another 10% to the downside. Yesterday 15.7. Today, for now, pre-market almost 10%. The yellow zone needs to hold. Otherwise, 960 on MSTR. Incoming. What goes up needs to come down. If it goes straight up, it will come down faster than it went up. And as you can see, now MSTR is here. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of uptrend just vanished with 2 days to the downside. Always protect your downside, ladies and gentlemen. Always protect your downside, because this is the only thing we have full control of. Protecting our downside. And if you did not see yet, I want to show you something on my YouTube channel. This is Fibonacci-Traders YouTube channel. You're more than welcome to visit. Hit the subscribe. More than 933 videos. Can we reach 4,000 by the end of March? Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's reach 4,000 by the end of March. Can we get to 10K by the end of 2024? With your help, it will be much appreciated. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, bring friends, bring family. Let's make everyone a better traders. Let's help one another. Do one simple thing. Make money. What else do we have here? You have, where was it? You have the playlist, of course. All the playlists that you want. You have the Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist. You have here the truth about technical analysis. You must watch it. I will put the link over here. You must watch it. It will open your mind to see things different. Because if everyone sees the same, and if everybody works the same way. How come more than 95% of all traders fail? Watch that video. What else do we have? CVN we talked about. AMD goes down. Google. This is why I say hit the notification bell, because we are talking about Google every day on the stock market recap video. Every day 7 a.m. Israel time. Every day 12 a.m. Eastern time, New York time. Google went up all the way to this Fibonacci level of resistance and just boom to the downside today. Don't be surprised if today and tomorrow this gap at the 143 will get filled. This is Google. MU for Ingrid. Let's talk about MU. Long time since I've checked this name. Long continuation only above the yellow zone. Look how the yellow zone, we are below the sell signal, inside the yellow zone pre-market, below the yellow zone. We have a gap over here at the 86 and we have another gap over here at the 82. This gap needs to get filled. 80% chance it will, maybe tomorrow after FOMC. Anyway, for now, long only above 97. What else do we have? We take all the semiconductors down. For now, all semiconductors are going down. GPS. GPS is from my top stocks to watch. If you watched it, you know it. Every weekend, I post my top stocks to watch for the coming week. GPS was one of them, and GPS for now going up. Stop should be the 23.50 or the 23. This is why we have Fibonacci levels. We have the green line as our stop loss for long continuation above 24.80, and then we will see 26.50 and 28.50 to the upside. Apple. Guy, you haven't saw? Guys, ladies, gentlemen, super easy. Every day, go to my YouTube channel and just check the daily market recap. Every day, you have it in Hebrew, you have it in English. Just choose your language. Hebrew, English, English, Hebrew. Every day, we go over all the Magnificent Seven. We go over the SPY, the Qs, the IWM, the Dow Jones, Magnificent Seven, selected sectors, and more. So check it out. Apple for now, inside the yellow zone. Nothing much on Apple. Apple is struggling to break above this trend, this downtrend. As you can see, trend lines together with Fibonacci gives you everything that you need to follow price and understand where price might be heading next. You have this gap, yesterday's gap at the 162.70 that will get filled today, and then the 171 needs to hold, otherwise 168 and continuation sliding down to the 160 and closing the gap at the 146. This is Apple. There is short on MSTR. What do you mean by short? You want to go short on MSTR? Breaking below this, and you can start shorting below the yellow zone, below the 1281. In my opinion, short towards the 960. Of course, this is only my opinion. Always do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. MU, Ingrid, we talked about. XLU. XLU trying with all its power to stay inside this option channel, still above the yellow zone, but one more day closing inside the yellow zone and this buy signal will disappear. If you want to go long for now on XLU, only above the 63.70. If you're already long on XLU, your stop should be, in my opinion, at the 62.70 or just below the 62.30. What else do we have? Let's see Futures. Look how trend lines act as the true support resistance for price action. Look at this. Touched, bounce, touched, bounce, touched, bounce, and now touched, trying to bounce. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Let's see break above this downtrend channel on the 15 minutes. I want to see break above the 41, the 51, 42. And then we will start taking our long position on SPY according to US 500, which is the SPX futures. What else? Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto land just keeps falling. Is this the end of this bull run? Is this the end? No one knows. We had a nice bull run, haven't we? Since beginning of 90% on Bitcoin in just 2.5 months. Pullback is imminent, right? Where to? Below this area, ladies and gentlemen, below the 6290, below the 62,900, in my opinion, 50 incoming. Just take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. You can take from the beginning. You can take it from here. As you can see, 64 needs to hold. Below it, 57 and then 49. You can also take it from here to the downside. Now look where Fibonacci is. 382. Below 382, the Fibonacci retracement level below the 382, 50 is the 61K. Below it, 58. Below this one, 50 incoming. And if you're a pattern seeker, pattern trader, you must see this. What do we have here? Look, look. What do we have? If you're a pattern seeker, pattern trader, you need to see this. We have head and shoulders in the making. And if this shoulder started from here, this shoulder below the 63 goes back to the 50. Take a screenshot, record, and observe. Long continuation on Bitcoin, I want to see a weekly close above the 70. Only then, this head and shoulders pattern will get negated. What else do we have? DKNG. Let's talk about DKNG. What do we see on DKNG? Let's clean the chart a little bit. No need so many lines. We like our charts to be clear and clean as much as possible. DKNG, 40-50, strong support. All this area, the 44, 45, tough resistance. We also have a buy signal yesterday. Nice bullish. Break above the yellow zone. Now let's see. We need to hold above the yellow zone another day, and then we can start taking our long position. 44 will break to the upside, and then 45, and you have all these red levels to the upside, breaking below the 40, 37, and then this gap at the 35 will get filled. All you need is Fibonacci, and ask Fibonacci where price might be heading next, and Fibonacci will let you know the next resistance, next supports for future price action. Let's see futures. Futures trying to bounce, trying to get back inside the yellow zone. What else do we have interesting? Let's see what I'm following. CF, very interesting name, put on your watch list. Above the 86, you will see 88, 90. What else? SWAV, also strong above the yellow zone. Now let's see continuation above the 277, and we will see 285 and 300. By the way, we have the FTI signals. The FTI signals is a new channel for the Fibonacci Traders members, paid members. All these signals, whether it's for day trading, whether it's for swing trading, long, short, it works on everything. It's automation signals from the FTI according to predetermined values that I gave. He just searches and gives automation signals directly to the Fibonacci Traders Discord. So if you want to get those signals, join us. Everything you have to make money and become a better trader, just one Discord away. The only Discord that will help you make money. GM also super interesting, holding nice. I want to see continuation, holding above the yellow zone, and then 48.80, and then all the red levels to the upside. What else do we have? AKAM on my watch list for a potential double bottom of the 107. First, it's too early. I want to see first weekly close inside the yellow zone. Next week, I want to see continuation above the 111. And then this double bottom scenario will take us to the 113, 118, and with market momentum, it will take us towards the 124 and 127. CPA, thank you very much, Guy, for this amazing super chat. I don't know why it needs to jump right over here. Thank you very much, Guy, for this amazing super chat. I appreciate you very, very much. CPA. For now, broke above, holding above the yellow zone. I want to see continuation above the 104 towards 107, and then 110, 113, and you have this area, the 107, super tough resistance. Look left, it was resistance, support, and now resistance. So for me, long continuation. I will also put an alert over here with your permission. Long above the 107, and then you have all the levels to the upside. So, any more questions, any more requests? Look at the futures trying to bounce, trying to break out from this downtrend channel. Join our Fibonacci Traders Discord. You will not regret it. We trade together. We make money together. Not every day, but most of the days we take 3 to 4, 3 to 5 trades. 80% of them are on the green. So thank you very much for joining this live. I appreciate each and every one of you. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future video and any future live. Until the next video, until the next live, stay safe.